How's it going, everyone? Mike here with another sales update. The last update I did was on the 10th, so basically this is going to include the last 3 days. Today's the 14th, so I won't be including that. It is the first thing in the morning, so we're just going to look at the last 3 days. As you can see here, the total from the 10th until the 13th was 24 sales, which is basically averaging about 8 a day, but the performance overall in the US market was actually pretty bad. So right after I recorded the video, which was on the 10th, with 11 sales, and there were more across all the marketplaces, it dropped down to 5, 6, and then the weekend was fairly slow. So we'll see how this week is going to go, but the last couple of days have definitely been slow. That being said, my averages are still increasing. So the last 7-day average is hovering above 60, and that's actually been consistent. Right now you're seeing 54 again because of today. So that's actually very positive, because for the last 2 months, I don't think I was cracking 60, especially on continuous basis. The monthly sales, as you can see here, I just cracked 100, which is nice because we're not even halfway through the month. And like I said, the momentum is in my favor, and it looks like we're going to be beating this month, previous month, if nothing changes. So that's actually very good. So 100 sales in the US. Where does that bring us on a monthly chart? Let's see. It's actually catching up very nicely. And as you can see here, in about a week or less, in a couple of days, I will have beaten pretty much every single month of last year. As you can see here, the highest ones were July and September with 122. So that's going to be gone, within a day or two. And that's kind of the perspective that I'm having, ever since I got tiered up, is that, my weekly or sales within, a 2-week period or 3-week period are beating my best months from last year, which is again a huge change. The one thing that I wanted to also compare is look at this month's total sales. And as you can see here, 121, which again is amazing. And, we're pushing $500 in royalties already. So again, absolutely no complaints. My Merch Titans automation tool, platform, whatever you want to call it, has been giving me some trouble lately with Merch by Amazon sale uploads. And so I haven't actually uploaded new products in the last 2 days. What I have been doing is editing my existing products, and basically just if they were listed to standard t-shirts, now I'm listing them to every other product that I can. So again, I still have not been wasting time with my uploads and missing out on those, because I keep saying to you guys, you won't get those days back, and they add up. So I have been adding more products, but just not new products. And the last thing that I wanted to say is, let me see where we are. This kind of stuff, I still don't know what to make of it, because the products that are selling are all over the place, right? They're new products, they're old products, but days like this, like these kinds of spikes, there's a clear separation, because you see new products actually come in. So when there is a slower day, for example, this is guaranteed to be, maybe 2 or 3 of my best sellers, where I would have 1 or 2 sales in a random product, and then the product is sell every single day. So, there are thousands of products that are not even being registered. And then, like I said, there's like this influx here, which again, I'm not complaining about, but it's it's just funny that there's rarely any consistency with merch. Anyways, I'll wrap it up here. Thanks, guys, for watching. And if you have any comments, if you want to share your sales with other people, please, leave a comment. Let us know how you're doing. I'm always curious, and I'll talk to you guys soon.